So guys, today is our production day, so I'm so excited about this one. So this is my heavy. So I want to pour it inside. See, our production day. Yes, we made it ourselves. We are not putting cream and creams together. This is natural way to make your lotion. So we have to put all our natural oil inside this lotion. We are putting this oil so that you can glow the skin and treat everything that is not good in the skin. That's why we're putting all this oil. This oil is going to make you flawless. That's why we are putting all this oil inside this lotion. If you are still watching to this minute, thank you for watching. Please like and share this video to your loved ones so that they can see how base cream is made from the scratch without adding any chemical. This is natural oil. You can see we made it from the scratch. Share the video with your loved ones so that they can see. So this is the automobile lotion. You can see how beautiful this is. This is if you want one of these, you can chat me on WhatsApp to order. Thank you so much for watching this video to the end. Thank you. Please like, share. Thank you. Bye.